Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what do we have here? That is some leftover broccoli and cauliflower. Those are 3 pasture-raised eggs. That is some shredded Parmesan cheese. A little pepper. Hey, Mike Foster here. It's another simple recipe. This is a simple killer scramble made with broccoli cauliflower. That was fresh broccoli cauliflower. I just steamed it a little. It was left over from last night. I got a few eggs. I'm going to put this baby together. It's a scramble, and it's one of the healthiest scrambles you can eat to start your day because broccoli and cauliflower are cruciferous vegetables, and eggs are great for you. I got videos on why you should eat those foods. Check it out. All right, we have a medium pan. We're going to put some butter down. And we're going to heat that broccoli up and the cauliflower. All right, see those guys? Pop them in. That's beautiful. Want to get a little heat on that guy. A little olive oil in here. Just a little. Put some fresh cracked black pepper. All right, let's corral those guys in. Make sure all the pieces are about the same size. And it'll cook evenly. I'm going to put some of the cheese on this right now. This is a little tip. While that's happening, I'm just going to break these yolks because you don't need to give these guys a lot of mix on a scrambled egg. Misconceptions. Okay, that's ready. Right. Let's incorporate this. Just want to get the chill, because these are in the fridge, get the chill off these veg. Flip it. Mix it around. All right, don't want to lose all that cheese. Keep that on there. Let's add those eggs. A little more pepper. All right, let's get this going. So I just let the eggs sit there for about 30 seconds. Then you just keep folding them in like this. You can even put that heat up a little so that it just starts cooking fast. Do that about another 20 seconds and we add the rest of the cheese. That stuff. All right, let's flip this. Incorporate that baby. Mixy schmixy. All right, let's put the rest of the cheese in. All right, we're going to turn this heat off and just let this cook itself. And in about 27.3 seconds, this baby will be done, and I'll serve it up and meet you at the counter. There it is. That's the finished product. Big bite coming up. All right. Can't wait to tuck in and see how this tastes. A big piece of broccoli. You can just taste the nutrition with every bite. The cheese gives it a salty bite. Creamy. The eggs are perfect. It's a really healthy way to start your day. If you want to make it healthier, eliminate the butter and the cheese. But you gotta live a little, don't you? For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Till next time, sweet baboo and peace.
Live life 365.
Ready, baby, be ready in about 2-3 minutes. I can't eat it all, I gotta give half to my wife. Look at what she doesn't know on her. Baba. She's She's coming out for her. She's coming out for her half. Where is she? There she is. You're in the video, Baba. It's not there. A rare rainy day in Utah. Pretty.